In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable monetization and earn money with your Discord server in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So this is a new feature added in a lot of countries on Discord, and it will allow you to monetize your Discord server and community and earn money just by having a Discord server. So it's very useful, and it's a really good side hustle, and a lot of people is making a lot of money with this already. So all you need to do is go to your Discord server and go to the server name and go to server settings. So once you are here, you need to scroll down and you will see this new monetization category. So you can go to server subscriptions, and then in my case, as you can see, Discord doesn't currently support server monetization where I am, but this is enabled in some countries, so you need to check if you can sign up on this program on your country. So as you can see here, you will generate income by creating and selling monthly subscriptions, one-time downloadables, and premium roles. So for example, if you want to create a premium roles for supporters or some specific channels just for supporters or early access to something inside your server, you can do that and earn money on Discord. So as you can see here, you can see some of the benefits. So for example, you get 90% of the revenue that your customers spend. You will reward and create a home for your supporters, and it's really easy. Here you have some reviews of people already earning money with their servers, and you can even click this button to view their servers and how they are earning, so you can just copy their business basically. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.